Hello everyone, this is DJ Dimaliuat, and in this video, we will answer the question, at what age should you start getting life insurance? And my answer to that question is, as soon as you have a job and you're a breadwinner, you should get a life insurance. If someone is relying on your income, na may dependents ka, hindi yung ikaw yung umaasa sa kanila. No? So meaning, if you're married, definitely you should need life insurance. If you have kids, definitely you need life insurance. If you're single at walang dependents, no? Ibig sabihin your parents, your siblings, hindi umaasa sa income mo, pwedeng wala kang life insurance. Pero if you're single and then your parents, your siblings, may pinapaaral ka, whatever that is, may umaasa sa income mo, then you need life insurance. So as soon as there are people depending on your income, you need life insurance because life insurance is a tool to replace your income in case of death. Diba? You have an economic value. Right? May silbi yung income mo at may nagde-depend dito. And that's why we say that at least 10 times your annual income should be your life insurance. That should be the minimum. Right? The ideal, the maximum should be magkano pa yung kikitain mo sa working years mo. If you're just 30 years old right now and you will retire at age 60, probably the next 30 years, yun ang economic value mo eh. So should you want to be insured at that amount, pwede din. But minimum 10 times your annual income so that the next 10 years of your income may mapoprovide sa family mo in case that income stops because of death. Right? Now, kung health insurance naman ang pag-uusapan, iba to. Meaning, even if you are not a breadwinner, you need health insurance. So it means that as soon as you have work, you have source of income, you need health insurance. Or as soon as you realize, ayaw kong maging pabigat sa family ko, sa ibang tao, when I get sick, you need health insurance. So there's two general types, no? Yung health card or hospitalization insurance, and then the critical illness insurance. So, critical illness, kapag talagang malalang sakit, kailangan mo talaga ng malaking amount of money for that. So you need an insurance policy that can give you a lump sum amount just in case of diagnosis of any critical illness. Kapag naman hospitalization, of course, kung na-hospitalize ka and then gusto mo nang wala kang cash out or may reimbursement yon, so you need a health card type or hospitalization insurance. So maraming different types of health insurances. Meron from life insurance companies just like us and AIA, especially the critical illness coverage. No? Marami tayo niyan. Our main product is AIA Critical Protect, and a lot of different VULs and non-VUL plans. And then may mga non-life insurance din, no, na mainly kapag pang-hospitalization, yun yung coverages nila. Alright, so usually you would need at least 5 times your annual income because you will need a separate fund, not your savings, not your business, a separate fund na makukuha in case kailangan mong gumaling. And aside from the health funding, siyempre, pag nagkasakit ang isang breadwinner, ang isang tao, titigil ang income. You will not have the ability to create money, to bring in money for your family. So, kailangan mo ng kapalit ng income din doon, replacement din ng income mo. So, if you will stop working for 3 months or 6 months, you need replacement income during that time, bukod sa pagpapagaling. So, that's the reason why you need at least 5 times of your annual income. 5 times of your annual income will be your health insurance. Meaning if your annual income is 600,000 in a year, meaning 50,000 a month, times 5 mo yun, you would need about 3 million in total critical illness insurance plus your health insurance. That's the ideal. Kung ayaw mong maghirap or magalaw yung mga pinaghirapan mo, savings, business, properties, your cars, whatever yung naipundar mo pa, just in case magkaroon ng sickness or disability. So, as soon as ma-realize mo ayaw mo maging pabigat, you need health insurance. How soon should you get education funding? of course, pag may anak ka na, kailangan mo na. But I've met some people na wala pang anak, bumibili na sila ng education funding. Paano yun, DJ? Wala pang ang anak, no? So paano ako mabibilihan? Well, ang sinasuggest ko naman talaga, especially if your life insurance is not yet 10 times your annual income, ikaw din yung insured. So bibili ka ng insurance separately, even if you have an existing insurance policy, bibili ka ng another VUL plan or a guaranteed plan kung meron man yung company na kukuhanan mo, na ang sole purpose niya is wiwithdrawin during college or K-12 nung anak mo, no? So, or future anak mo. So, ikaw yung insured kasi you're protecting your income, pero ang purpose niya is for that, you know, the education of your kids. So, meaning, kung dalawa yung anak mo, kung kinuha mo yung isa, dapat kuhanan mo rin yung pangalawa. Multiple dapat. Right? So, kung tatlo yung anak mo, may dalawa ka pa lang, kuhanan mo rin yung pangatlo. So, as soon as magkaroon ng anak, the younger he or she is, the better. Because you will have time to accumulate. Right? Because investing, saving, preparing for education fund, you need time. You just don't need money. Hindi lang pera ang kailangan. You need the interest rate na kumikita siya. You need the money, of course. And number 3, you need time for the money to work for you. And lastly, if you're talking about retirement fund, kailan ba dapat ka mag-start for retirement? No? Kailan ka dapat mag-ipon, magsimula mag-invest for retirement? Ang basic answer ko dyan is at least 20 years before your retirement. So if you plan to retire at age 50, dapat at age 30 pa lang, nagsisimula ka na mag-ipon. If you wanna retire at age 60, at age 40 pa lang, nagsisimula ka ng mag-ipon for retirement. And it doesn't need to be too big. It doesn't need to be super substantial. 10,000 naman kaagad or what. It only happens like that kapag too late ka na nagpe-prepare. Like 50 ka na, then 60. Or 55 ka na, and then you wanna retire at age 60 or 65. Talagang kailangan substantial na yan. But if you're starting early, like you're starting at age 30 for example, even just 2,000 a month, 3,000 a month, 5,000 a month, will be good enough, a good enough start. And then when you increase your income, then you get another policy again for retirement. What's more important is the consistency of saving. Investment is not just all about strategy, it's not all about the investment vehicle, right? Tadaigin pa rin ng investment vehicle na mahina lang yung kita, kumikita lang ng 2-3% a year. Basta consistent ka nagsisave on a regular basis, monthly, quarterly, annually, regularly nagsisave ka, nag-i-invest ka. Kesa malaki yung returns like 10% in a year, pero once every 5 years ka lang maglagay. Or naglagay ka sa stock market, okay, malaki yung potential income ng stock market, pero hindi mo na dinagdagan. Marami akong kilalang ganun, nag-start lang mag-invest sa stock market, tapos wala na. Diba? Nakalimutan na nila yun. So, it's really about consistency. And retirement is one of the biggest goals that you need to address. Maniwala ka sa akin. If you just compute, if you need 50,000 income per month when you retire, in 12 months, 50,000 times 12, you would need 600,000 income per year. Eh wala ka nang trabaho, so mo kukunin yun. So from your retirement fund, sa 600,000 income in a year, in 10 years, you would need 6 million. Diba? Without considering inflation pa. In 20 years, if you want to enjoy 20 years of your retirement na meron kang income na 50,000 in a month, 600,000 in a year, 20 years is 12 million. Right? So, ang laki ng 12 million kung magsisimula ka lang ng 5 years, 10 years before. Imagine sa 5 years, magkano kailangan mong ipunin? 2.4 million in a year times 5, so 12 million, diba? So that's 200,000 in a month. Kaya talagang medyo mabigat. But if you start small, but start early, start young, and do it consistently, then you will be able to really save up for retirement and you will have a comfortable retirement compared to most. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have questions, just type in the comment section. If you want to buy life insurance, health insurance, education, or retirement funding from me, and want to get my expert advice, just message me in my Facebook page. Just go to my Facebook, search DJ Dimaliuat, or type in facebook.com/DJ DJ Dimaliuat Official. So with that, thank you very much and see you in the next video.